Hello there, everyone, and welcome back to the Pulse here with the PeakBot team. Co-host Dillon, Ben, Thomas. Gentlemen, how are we doing today on Friday?
I'm doing great.
How are you doing, Dillon?
Thank you for asking. I'm doing well. I was doing better until I joined backstage and you guys were talking about me. You guys were debating upon what hat I was going to be wearing.
We placed bets on, and the winner was going to get McDonald's, but none of us won.
Okay, so the guesses were Under Armour hat, Ferrari hat. There was no Nike hat being guessed.
No hat.
I went no hat.
Well, you were betting on the fact that I was going to get myself a haircut between now, because I wouldn't just let this be seen. I mean, that's ridiculous. But anyway. Thank you so much for tuning in. We already got 100 people streaming here, so that's excellent. Wanting to talk about a ton of things today. First, of course, we have our hands-free trades that'll be made here in just a few minutes. Boys, we'll get our accounts ready for that. I was live about an hour ago making some updates to my portfolio. Ben came on with me. So we got PeakBot picks. We got a new scoring tally to go over, showing our overall win rate on these picks as opposed to just winning a week or losing a week. Live picks, again, of course, for next week. So a lot going on. Did I miss anything, guys?
Trader Trivia. Ben, we have Trader
Trivia, of course.
Naturally, we have Trader Trivia.
Hang in there for Trader Trivia. We can do we want to knock that out before? No.
I think we normally go over the question, get our answers, hands free, find it out.
All right, let's do it.
Thomas knows the routine. Let me go ahead and share my screen.
And I still don't have a headshot, and I think I know the routine better.
Insult me backstage all you want. Do not insult me live on. You'll pay for that later. Awesome.
Okay, here we go. Trader Trivia going to get interrupted by hands-free trading in about 2 minutes here. Just have to check the
No worries.
All right, question. If you know the answer to the question and you're not currently automating your trades with PeakBot, you could earn a free quarter, 3 free months of PeakBot by answering this question correctly. And the question is, what popular tech company's stock ticker is famously known as for the symbol for laugh out loud?
Wow. Okay.
Wait. I don't get. Did one of them have the ticker symbol LOL at one point?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
What? Wait. Which one? Stock tickers famously known as the symbol for LOL. The symbol for LOL or laugh out is LOL. None of those are LOL, Ben. Did ChatGPT let you down again?
I think. Yeah, I think it did.
All right.
Because isn't LOL? That's like a love.
Lots of love.
Right, let's pivot here.
Okay, great.
Because I think I don't think I understood this question when I first put it in, and now I'm reading it. I don't think that.
Wait, can I Google it and then reveal the answer? Oh no, Ben knows the answer.
I know.
Let's hit the did you know? Let's get people educated on something that's not.
All right. We've got hands-free trades coming in 30 seconds, but real quick, did you know the stock ticker for Harley Davidson is HOG? I did know that beforehand, but what I didn't know was this next part. It's a nod to the long-standing association with motorcycles as HOGs, and reference to the Harley Owners Group. I didn't know that part. Harley Owners Group, HOG, one of the most famous biker clubs in the world.
You ever watched the movie Wild Hogs?
Yeah, I was going to say, what's the movie? Is it Hogs?
It's Wild Hogs.
Wild Hogs. Hogs.
Great movie. Star power. Every single person in that movie is hilarious. Ray Liotta, R.I.P. All right, you know what, Ben? Show us what answer there was, and let's don't. You know what? You're right.
We've got some trades coming in. I'm gonna get some Iron Condor trades coming in just a minute here. We're gonna go hands free, hands up. Again, for anybody new tuning, Dillon, get your hands in the air. For anybody new tuning in, it's this part of the show where we'll put our hands up and show our accounts getting trades placed automatically via PeakBot's trading bots. So in just a minute, I should have all my iron condor trades through. I know that there's going to be some trend spread trades in some of our accounts. So we just have to give it a minute. Are we ever going to get to that point where Thomas races the bot at 12 o'clock?
We said we were. We said we would.
You think I could do it?
I think on a day like today, Thomas would win because we're already a minute in.
No entry. I'm going to pull up my account quickly. Feel free to move back.
Yeah, pull it up.
These are positions that I did earlier. So nothing new here just yet, but again, expecting some condors to be entered.
All right, wait, are we in yet? Right now, I'm about to place the trade. Hold on.
I'm not in yet.
We're not in yet.
Delta straddle. Here.
Usually within the first 5 minutes, we'll be in.
Delta,
This show's going great, huh, guys?
Delta.
Trader trivia. You know, you got to say, last 3 or 4 weeks we've had condors filled.
All right, well, if you're on the QQQ, you'd be earning 41 cents in premium right now, and I would have the trade placed. So
why aren't you placing it? What are you
strapped
for cash? What are you strapped for cash?
No, I just wasn't placing it, but I can do it right now. I'm done.
Why wouldn't you? I mean, we'd love to see it too.
I'm done right now. I'm in.
Would have loved to see your screen this whole time.
Well, I could. Yeah, I didn't think about that, but I'm in.
All right, so this was a failed experiment, huh?
Well, I mean, it's still going to happen. We just don't. I don't know the exact time.
No, Thomas beating it though. Thomas crushed it today. But
yeah, Thomas definitely won.
Oh, I won. I'm in. 41 cents, by the way. Trading
window being opened doesn't mean that it's placing immediately. We got to find the right price, got to find the right fill, work the order a little bit. You know what? Here's what we're going to do. I think we got a lot to talk about with PeakBot picks. We can go into that. And if anybody sees trades, let's just, let's pivot back. What do we think?
For some reason, I feel like I might have the highest percentage based upon your response.
Okay, nobody even knows what you're talking about yet, man. We don't.
Oh, you're right. Well, yes, you did. You teased it. You said
I teased it.
You did tease it.
All right. So here's what I'm gonna pull up. We're gonna look at our trades. Let's see. Stop sharing. We're gonna pull up our trades from this past week, expiring today, and we're gonna go through it. See how we're looking. All right. So Ben, you'll get your screen and your charts up. I'm going to give the people a peek at the picks. See what I did there? Peek at the PeakBot picks. All right.
Well, and you're all over the place today. We didn't even finish going over trader trivia.
I thought you didn't want to. I thought you completely moved past it.
Let's just throw out guesses. I want to go lift because I don't think Google would do something that funny. So I'm going to go lift.
Is there even a correct answer?
No, I don't know if there's a correct answer. I'm just throwing one out there. Tech company. Oh, wait, but is Lyft even a tech company? No.
I feel like that's outside of the question. What do you got?
Wait, no, hold on. I want to throw out a guess. Whoa.
You didn't guess it. You didn't guess it.
I kind of guessed it. My first guess was Lyft.
In certain trading circles, it's called LOL, as people use it humorously discuss the ups and downs of the ride sharing company. Funny enough, Ben, did I not activate Lyft earlier? I think I did.
I think you did.
I think I have Lyft in my portfolio right now. Okay, so this did work out. I would say the question needed to be phrased maybe a little bit better, GP.
Yeah. I definitely didn't understand the question.
Okay.
How it was phrased.
All right. Well,
that's
apologies for jumping past it.
Only have one loss on this so far.
Good thing we're not tracking that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. No orders yet. Yeah.
No orders yet. That's fine.
All right.
They'll come
That's
in.
fine. Moving on. Doesn't happen all the way or right away all the time. All right. So Ben has his screen up. I'm going to show us the picks really quick, and then we're going to talk about new scoring. All right. So these were picks that were selected on Friday, expiring today. Few hours left. They're selected from our trend spread watch list. We picked the stock in the trend, and we see if we can get it right. So we're going to start up top. We're just going to keep moving right on through here. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. Me first. Ticker ABBV. Put spread bullish. I haven't actually looked at these. Normally I would have already, but 190. Trying to stay above 190 on ABBV. Let's get Ben's screen up. Whoa.
Stay above 190?
Yikes.
Ouch.
Oh, it was up there. That's not wrong. I was thinking my data was wrong, but we just had a huge pullback. Luckily, I wasn't trading that. 0 for 1. Okay. IBM bullish on trying to stay above 217.5. IBM above 2175, earning $48 in premium. This is not going well. 0 for 2 for Dillon. Come on now, Walmart. Put spread bullish above 78. Let's avoid the goose egg. We know that this worked. Okay. Now it's not done yet, but 1 for 3. My other 2 are not looking good. However, Walmart holds true. How did I get a hold of that last week? How'd you guys let me do that?
I don't know. We conspired against it, but
well, we conspired that maybe if Dillon took it this week and we dropped it, that he would lose.
Fair.
I remember it.
All right. Well, right now it's my lone hope. 1 for 3. We're gonna move right into Ben here. Ben's got 2 puts. 2 bulls and a bear. First one, Riot. Ben's picks in these contests stress me out. I could never take these. Riot, $13 in premium earned, trying to stay above 11.
Above 11, give it to me. There we are.
Ooh.
Okay, nice. Big pickup yesterday. That's saving you. And but it's getting close. You're kind of running down there a little bit. Yeah. That's going to be a tough one, Ben. That could fall under.
We've been above 11 all week. We're fine.
Okay.
I'm not worried.
Do you keep pulling the screen down, or somebody else doing that?
I'm not touching it. Thomas, are you doing that?
I don't have it. I can't do it.
It's the ghost of GameStop's past. Ticker GameStop GME, $20 in premium. Ben was trying to stay bullish on it above 22.5.
Above 22.5. Oh,
wow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What happened there? Oh, that's a yearly chart. Never mind.
Does this strike seem right?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, good. All right. Ben's third pick, Moderna, ticker MRNA. Call spread, bearish, earned 36 in premium, trying to stay below 51 on Moderna.
Whoa.
This is insane. These are so far away. Can we see the 5-day?
Big winners.
Big.
I mean,
but it doesn't matter how far out of the money you are.
No, doesn't matter. You're making a nice premium there. All right, so what was that? Were you 3 for 3?
3 for 3.
Ben's 3 for 3.
Ben's gone.
Ben's gone now.
Ben's got camera. This is, I have to say, not our best show. Not our best show today.
I'm
knows
still
what's
here.
going on with Ben? He's here.
I had to get up for a second. I had to stand up for a second.
Okay. You didn't want people to see your pajamas. I get it. Thomas,
that's right.
3 bears. Okay. First one, Coca-Cola. Ticker KO. $14 in premium earned, trying to stay below 65.
And he is.
Good one.
Pepsi, call spread, bearish, 35 in premium, trying to stay below 167.5. Thomas, I think I picked this up earlier today for this next week. Oh man.
Thomas went with consumer brands.
I did. I went back. Oh, whoa.
Trying to stay below 167.5. Very much did so.
Oh, you know what? We missed trades.
Oh, okay. Well, let's take a look at them.
These are my trend spread trades.
I got a ton of trend spread trades myself. Here's mine. Quick: Google, Block, Shopify, J&J, Triple M, Nike, Roblox, Dell.
Dillon, did you smart exit Shopify?
Yeah. No, I actually manually exited it earlier with Ben live. So I got out of the position. I ended up removing it from my portfolio because I don't want to trade it again this week. Gotcha. So it just got out there. So yeah, Ben, any trades that we should be looking at from you here? AMD, Alcoa Corp. You're right. Okay, these are debits here. Yeah, all right. So you got some action here. We got some trades. These were all made completely hands-free by PeakBot. We should get a banner.
I put everything on a smart exit, so we should only see debits here, which
Okay.
it looks like we do.
Yeah, you're just closing out.
I'm just
And is
closing
this
out.
because-
I'm gonna reset, refresh on Monday with a bunch of new tickers. So closing out of everything today.
You don't want to be playing around with the weekend. You'd rather just take the time, get set on Monday.
Yes, it's not that I don't want to. Yeah, I guess it is. I don't want to. I don't want to play around with the weekend this week.
All right, and you're busy, building a business. All right, let's get back to picks then. So where were we? We just had Thomas' last pick. Target, call spread, bearish, 26 in premium, below 155.
Wow, Thomas is 3
that
for
one's
3.
close though.
Yeah, that's 3 for 3.
He's fine.
Yeah, that one's fine.
Okay.
He'll be fine.
So then what I want to pull up now is I had this tweet drafted. If I go into drafts here, we're going to pull this up and we're going to look at it. Now, I'm going to show us how I have it written now, but we do need to make an adjustment. I shared these win rates before the show, but I didn't share who was claiming these win rates. Now, Thomas, funny enough, we're going to make an edit to Ben's, okay? Ben actually only had 20 picks because if you guys remember, he had a DNF a couple weeks ago. So it does not have 21 picks here. So we're going to drop that. Ben, give me the quick math on that. We're not going to move you because we're going on. I think we want to go on total picks, right? Because you have.
No, I think we were going on total wins.
Total wins.
Total wins.
80%.
Total wins on the week, Dillon. For the whole week. How many wins? Thomas only has 1 win.
I have 1 win, but I have the highest win rate.
Well, I thought we decided we were going to go just with a running tally. We're not even sure there's going to be winners of the weeks, but we want the running tally.
Man, we are missing
this isn't
the
our
mark.
show.
We are missing the mark today.
Yeah, it's not our show.
No, I thought we were still going to order however many times we won.
Yeah.
Like that's the point of the picks competition. But then the secondary stat would be what's our overall win rate, which by the way, mine's at 80%.
Yeah. So Dillon, you're down. This is like my fantasy football team. I'm in 11th place. I have the 5th most points scored, but I have the 2nd most
points isn't anything to write home about.
Yes, it is, Ben. 5th most points scored.
Out of 12?
12-man league, you're the 5th highest scoring.
That's not fun.
Yes, it is. That is a solid team. That is consistently week in, week out playoffs right there.
So
but I have the 2nd most points against me. It's unbelievable.
Right. So listen, we want to keep the running tally just for percentages and win rates, okay? But you guys are saying we still want to keep the overall weekly leaderboard.
Yeah.
I feel like Ben's saying that because he was in first place on the weekly leaderboard.
He wants to show off.
Well, no, I thought that's what we always talked about.
I think we go for a race to 50 picks, right?
Nah, I kind of like the rocks, paper, scissors and everything. I want to keep that going.
Let's talk offline. Let's not do this for the people
Figure it out
here.
later.
All right. So regardless, some good win rates here. Okay. We'll see how these numbers get edited when we make the picks final for this week. But Thomas, regardless of all the controversy here and missteps, well done.
Thank you.
Yeah,
only missing 3 picks.
Great win rate.
85.7. Look, I'm not thrilled. I'm not thrilled that I'm in third. I wasn't until 5 minutes ago. But you know what? We're gonna work with it. We're gonna get the weekly leaderboard back. I still have it, and we'll announce it when this week is over, and I'll have the tweet finalized, and that'll be it, I guess.
So who won last week?
Last week, Thomas did. Finally got on the board.
Yeah.
No, that was the week before.
No, but I think
there was rock, paper, scissors for this week now.
Oh, we do. Yeah, we need to. Thomas and I need to do a rock it out for last week.
I thought it was me and Thomas.
This is a nightmare. Today is a nightmare. Should we close out?
Not our Friday.
Let's look here. I'm gonna let's kill some time. Why don't you guys do some market analysis? I'm gonna pick up last week.
Let's pull up the S&P.
Let's do something that we know can't go wrong quickly.
Well, we don't know.
We don't know that.
We don't know that. All right, here we are. We've got the SPY up on the chart here. We're looking at daily bars. We saw, boom, big jump because of the election. People found out Donald Trump was going to be president. This is how the market reacted. Now we're kind of cooling off. Jerome Powell gave a speech yesterday on economic outlook, said, no, I don't think we need to worry about interest rates anymore. So big drop because of that. Now we're kind of getting back to reality and where we kind of topped out prior to the election. So pre-election here. My thesis, and of course, I'm not a financial advisor. Let me get that banner flowing across the screen
Please.
Here. Where'd that banner go? I made a really nice banner. Oh, it's on our. Hold on, I'll get it. We'll get there. Bam.
Okay.
Not financial advice. So my thesis is that we're going to kind of get back to business as usual now. We know who the president is, and we know what the Fed's stance is on interest rates for the time being. Unless there's any big data or large surprises that come our way, we should get back to business as usual. So over these 2 weeks, really hard to figure out if there's some sort of trend. I would revert back to assuming we're going to continue the bullish trend that we saw prior. Maybe we'll see a little bit more of a pullback. Who knows? I don't know. If we look at the economic count, you have something, Thomas?
I think there's support right there. If you look at it, right there, it's not filling back down. It's got to fill that gap back up. And then I think that's where we're going to stop around that fifth, go up one. I think we're going to fill that gap up to 59.
Okay.
592 right there.
Okay, fair assumption. If we look at the economic calendar for next week, I'm going to filter for, at first, just the high importance events, nothing of high importance really all week except for building permits, which I wouldn't even personally consider that. So I'd like to see a bit more of a quiet week. We've got some bill auctions on Monday. We have some Fed speeches. We've got housing data. We've got oil data next week. We got a 20-year bond auction next week. The 0DTE bot will be off on the 20-year bond auction.
Do we have 30 or 10?
What?
We don't have 30 or 10, do we? Next week?
Next week? I don't think so.
Scroll down. I don't think so. No, I think we're good.
Nope. So we're solid. So the bot will be 0DT bot will be off on Wednesday of next week. But yeah, other than that, nothing really of high importance to consider. So that's the analysis. Dillon, did you have the screen you wanted to pull up?
I do, and it's really loud outside here. You probably can hear it. If not, great. But there's a few things I want to talk about. I had Condors fill.
Oh, okay.
That up.
I probably
you guys did too
as well.
I had my SPY, my Qs, and my IWM all fill here just a few minutes ago. I got entries on my Tasty Trade account, which I got a text for, which is where I actually noticed that these things were happening. But all fully automated. Some nice credit here. 45 on SPY, 47 on Qs, 43 on IWM. So that's nice. Additionally, Ben, it was not you. It was Thomas and I needing to rock it out.
Okay.
And so Ben, anything Ben has to say about this contest right now, I'm just, I'm not filing it. I'm going to need to constantly be reviewing. So we do need to hit a rocks, paper, scissors right now. And I think Ben needs to count it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What was that?
Well, I didn't know you were actually counting it. It was very unenthusiastic. Go ahead and do it again. I'm ready.
All right, ready? Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes.
I'm such a beta, dude.
Thomas wins.
I gave in, man.
Woo.
Gave in. Thomas stayed rock. All right. Well, then the weekly leaderboard, Thomas, I think that's going to be your second W.
Second win, 3 for 3, highest win rate. It's all adding up now.
Unfortunately, it is.
It's all adding up. It's all it is.
Unfortunately, it is.
Fortunately, I think you mean. So.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll have all of this complete. So that settles week 7. All right. So that means the new scores, and I'll get this posted. Thomas is now, you are 2-5. Dillon is also 2-5, and Ben is 3-4. 3-4. For on the week W's. Okay. So we'll have that. We'll have our win rates. Everything will be there. We'll have that fresh for next week. For anybody who has tuned in so far today, just thank you for hanging around. I mean, we are just, it's not our A game. But we got picks. We're going to make some picks now. So let's get right to it. It's already 12:20. Huh? What do we say?
Yeah, let's get to it. I'm
right.
just looking at Silena's comment in YouTube. I'm going to just, Silena, message us on the support chat, and either myself or Thomas will help you out there.
All right. So Thomas, you won last week, so you picked the order.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go Ben, me, Dillon.
That's what you chose last week.
Yeah, I like that order.
It worked for him.
Yeah, I like the order.
All right. Well, Ben, you can take it away. I'll get a timer going for you here.
Okay. Let's get that timer going.
5 minutes.
I'm going to refresh my watch list here. Is this big enough on screen? I can zoom in.
You just zoomed in on your face.
Yeah, extra zoomed in. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I know how to do that now.
What?
I'm ready when you are.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
All right. Again, for the sake of this competition, I like to look at high buffer here, give myself a good chance to finish out of the money. Look at SMCI, ticker SMCI. 30% buffer. How do you not take that? Bearish. $23 sold call strike. Yeah, I got to do that. I mean, just a huge buffer. Mark me down. SMCI, bearish, $23 strike, $66 in premium, very high risk stock, negative EV, not what I would personally trade, but for the sake of winning this competition, I'm going with it.
You're in.
Wow.
I'm in. All right, cool. Now I want to get a bullish play in here. Let's take a look at some of these bullish tickers and buffers. And let me look at HUT. $24, $22 strike. Let's take a look at ticker HUT.
I'm bummed I have the lowest win rate. Yeah, it's really
$22 strike right around there. I don't love it. Technicals are probably going to be bullish. Yeah. So we got a big jump up right here. I don't know if I trust that. So let's keep, Sunrun. No, Sunrun's bearish. NVDL, I think that's an ETF. 9.1% buffer. $69 strike. This is, I think, NVIDIA's ETF.
Yeah, 3x leverage, right? Oh, 2x.
Yeah, 2x. What was the strike?
255 remaining.
The strike was $69. It's currently down here. I mean, this is really dependent on NVIDIA. Do I think NVIDIA is going to... I think NVIDIA will bounce back from today. All right, give me NVDL bullish, $69 strike, $260 premium.
Wow. Is it NV? I'm not looking. N as in Nancy?
N, Nancy, VDL.
All right, 2 minutes, 14 seconds remaining.
Do I think BitX? Do I think Bitcoin is going to continue the Bitcoin run? Let's Let's sort by probability of profit now, just for fun. When I'm making my picks, I usually sort by probability of profit when I'm making my picks for my own portfolio. Johnson & Johnson looking pretty good. Pretty good.
Oh, I took that real trade earlier today. I loaded up. There's such a support. There's such a resistance or support. I forget which way it was going. I'm not even looking, but
I kind of like General Motors right now. High pop, decent ROI, good buffer.
Minute 30.
We would be bullish on it, trading the $55 strike. Let's take a look at the technicals. Did I say $55 or $53 strike? 55. So $55 right around here. Again, I don't love that just based on the recent pop up. But is it going to come back down 4% in a week? Tough to say because it bumped up that much percent in a week. Technicals are definitely going to be bullish. Yeah, I mean,
47 seconds.
Yeah, I'm not in love with it, but I think it'll have to do. So give me GM. $55 strike is bullish. $55 strike. $18 in premium.
All right. With under 30 seconds to spare. Well done. Let's get up. Ben, Thomas, you're up.
I'm up. Let me show
All
you.
right. Let me change the banner here.
Let me move you guys over here. All right. We good?
Yes. You give me a countdown and I'll start the timer.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. We're going all bullish this week. We got a lot of room to move up, but we're gonna go for the high probability of profit. I'm just gonna look at Chevron here. 75% pop, 12% ROI, low risk, bullish. Let's take a look. CDX. So the goal here is to stay above 157.5, which seems to have been resistance done. Chevron, stay above 157.5, earning $61 in premium.
Okay, so CVX. Bullish.
Above 157.5.
Okay.
Earning $61 in premium.
Thank you.
There we go. So that's the first one. We're going to go for the next higher probability of profit. I kind of something about these oil companies, I guess, today, 71.5, but Caterpillar. I remember I used to have toys with Caterpillar.
Oh, yeah.
The yellow dump trucks.
Backhoe.
Yep. Caterpillar, the goal, bullish. Where is it? Bullish, low, 73.5, 37.5. 37 is, no, 375 was. Oh, yeah. Look at that right there. Look at that support of Caterpillar. CAT above 375, earning $140 in premium.
375, you said?
Yep.
All right, got 2 in.
That's 2. Whoa.
A lot of time remaining. Doesn't it feel like he looks at this, Ben? Feels like he comes
I think he does. I think he knows what he's going to do before he comes in.
I know what I'm doing. I know what I have a strategy already developed based on the SPY analysis and based on everything.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
Pick one.
Yeah.
It's all right. I mean, if I had a win rate as low as you guys, I'd be upset too.
Wow.
So then coming in here next, we're probably going to look for the same thing. Maybe let's take a look at JP Morgan. Let's take a look what Jamie Dimon's doing. So the goal here is stay above 240. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this one. A little too close. After these big jumps, you see some major drops. Not a big fan of that one. Schwab is bullish. Not it. Maybe go bearish on it, but not this time. Let's take a look at the probability of profits. A 78% from McDonald's. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm playing McDonald's in one of my portfolios. I like the strike. I think I kept it alive.
Stay above 285. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Dude, zoom in more. It gets even crazy. I mean, you start to really, or if you go down to like the 3 month or whatever, 1 month.
Oh,
like
yeah.
It's really in a range.
Oh, yeah. Give me 285. Easy.
That's money. A good trade. Yeah. I like that trade a lot.
Yeah, I might just do it right now, actually. Should I do it live?
Would you say? Give me the info first. 285 bullish.
285 bullish.
Premium.
Stay above 285, $63 in premium. I don't think I'm going to make the spread as wide, but
that's your pick?
That is my pick. Should I play it live? Should I go for it live in the next minute?
Go ahead. You need it? Yeah.
Let's take a look at the chain. So it was above 285.
Not financial advice.
Yeah, not financial advice. I'll just make it a 2.5 wide or one leg. Easy. We'll just do one each. 33 cents in premium.
Now you can take this. You take this with the bot, but you're just you saw it, you like it, you're moving on.
I'm in. Let's get filled at 0.3. I'll take a 0.3 fill. Done.
See, scroll down, see if it got filled.
Filled.
Filled immediately.
Right there at 35 cents too.
Nice.
That's a fun trade, man. Nicely done.
I like that trade. I liked it. I wanted to get in on it right then and there.
And what's your expiration on this?
Next week.
Next Friday?
Next Friday.
All right. Very cool. Well, nice live trade, Thomas. I like that. I'm automating it. You're doing it manually.
Right here. I'm in on it.
All right. Nicely done. I think I'm up. I know I'm up. Let me just get the banner up.
Stop sharing there for a second. Get your up.
Let's bring me up here. Let me get my screen going. Just give me 1 second. And I'm going to get ready to rock here. I got to refresh my screen, but that's it. Okay. Refresh. Detailed trend spread. Let's get going.
Zoom in.
You got a timer for me?
Yep.
Okay. Ready, set, go. Thomas, did you take J&J?
No, I didn't.
I'm going to take a look at that. It's bearish, 83 pop, trying to stay below 157.5. So let's take a look here. Sorry, what was the strike? J&J 157.5.
Just out of curiosity, did I make that live trade within the minute?
Yeah.
Wow. That was. Hopefully I didn't jinx.
Go ahead, compliment yourself.
Yeah, I'm gonna compliment myself. Hopefully I didn't jinx myself, but that was a pretty good one.
J&J, please. Bearish. Strike price is 157.5.
Hi.
And what is this? $21 in premium?
You said 167.5?
157, 157.5, $21 in premium earned.
Got it.
Okay. Let's take a look here. I like this 3M bullish above 124. Truthfully, I took this. I think I took this trade earlier today. I loaded it up in my portfolio. 128 we're trying to stay above, and if we zoom in here, there's been a nice trying to stay above 128. I think that was it looks like it was tried once at like 128.50. I think I like this, although it's bearish today. Yeah. Give me it. Triple M, bullish, above 128, $57 in premium earned.
You got it.
I have one of each right now, yeah?
You have a bear and a bull, yeah.
Now look at this, guys. Walmart's going to be reporting earnings next week. And
are you going to do it?
I mean, look, $81 strike. Look here, I'll tell you this. I'm trading it. I'm trading right through earnings. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Trading right through it on the wheel because my mentality for the wheel is survive in advance there. I mean, we're going to be fine. Above 81, I mean, come on. Okay, last time I was trading at $81 was back at the end of October, Halloween. If we know anything about the Halloween effect, now's the time. Yeah, give me Walmart. Walmart through earnings, bullish, above 81, $61 in premium. That is fun for Walmart. You never see that. Walmart 2 weeks ago fell off of the watch list because it was paying under 10. So that just goes to show you what, trading through an earnings report does. But again, this is a wheel stock of mine. I haven't lost on it since I activated it. I don't plan on doing that anytime soon. So I'm locked in. You got my picks?
I got them. I sent them.
All right.
You have a guest. My dog wanted to be picked up.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, right?
Hey, pup. It's a good boy. How does he feel about he or she?
It's a girl. It's a girl.
Oh, no. How does she feel about Walmart? Good.
I don't know. You want to ask her? Lena, what do you think about Walmart? Tell the people what you think about Walmart.
Above 81? Yeah. You know what? Tell me, where do you get her dog food?
I don't know. My mom gets it. I think it's the
Amazon?
The pet store, but it's something special. It costs me enough to not want to pay for it every 3 months.
I gotcha. All right. Well, hey, she's right there in your head, so stay there. All right, Ben, what do you got here for us, man?
Showing off our link tree. You want to talk through it?
Not only if you don't want to.
Yeah, I don't want to.
All right, link tree. Let's get it up on the band. Let's get a banner going. Linktree.com/use PeakBot. Okay. Head there now for a full list of all of our services, starting with our core offering, the household name for automated trading. Get started for just $29 a month. We see great returns across our strategies, across our traders. We've automated. It's now over 250 million. Ben or Thomas, who put the new link up?
I did.
It's gonna work without that stupid period, I promise. You want to try it right now?
Yeah, I do want to try it right now.
All right, go ahead. If this doesn't work, I'll remove myself from picks next week. Okay.
All right, it worked.
So let whatever. Anyway, automated trading. Let's get out of here. Automated trading, $29 a month. If you're not fully ready to automate or you do not have one of the brokers we're integrated with and you're more interested. Now, what's that? What is that? What?
I don't know.
If you want access to our watch list, but you're not ready to fully automate, Ben can scroll down for me and tell you a little bit more about our alert service at $5 a week, daily top trade ideas, access to our watch lists. That's $5 a week. Ben and I do a PeakBot Masterclass. We have options 101 for beginners, intermediate, as well as our options and automation Masterclass. Okay, 4 sessions, learn everything there is to know about our trading strategies, how to break down capital allocation, define your risk tolerance, knowing when to pivot. Of course, never financial advice, but backed by 100% cash back, money back guarantee, plus $100. If you don't like it, we're going to give you money and give you your money back. That's how confident we are going to love it. It's been going well so far. And of course, if you're not ready or interested in doing any automated trading or trading at all yourself, well, then you're going to hop on over to this link here with our partner, Harvested Financial, and Mark Phillips. He's fantastic. He's a licensed, registered investment advisor. He will completely manage your portfolio for you, utilizing the power of PeakBot's automation, placing trades, executing with PeakBot, but you no longer have to pick stocks or worry about anything else. They're completely handled by Mark. As we scroll down, we have some of our premium partners, our 0DTE, SPX, Orb strategy from our good partner, Max. He's fantastic. Great strategy, launched about 2 months ago. And, of course, Nick over at Bull Trade Finder with a 7DTE swing bot lower deltas, higher win rate, and a nice annual return there from him and his strategy.
New bot coming to Bull Trade Finder as well, going to be released on Monday. A version of the wheel. It's going to be a naked wheel at the 20 delta. So
love it.
Different delta. PeakBot, higher potential win rate, and trading naked. So,
do you want to scroll down and just show them my face quick?
Yeah.
You can get a quick PeakBot demo right here. Okay, 5-minute video on YouTube, show you how it works. And of course, we have our reviews and results. 4.7 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot, and we're fully transparent about results. We're going to have more and more information as we go there. I think that's it, guys.
I think that's
Linktree.com/use PeakBot. Are we all we're going to be better on Monday. We're going to be better on Monday. I think Thomas really threw us off. I think that's really what happened today. We're going to have a great show Monday with Mark and Harvested Financial. Not our best today, but you hung in there. Over 600 viewers live. Here's the good news. As much of a dumpster fire that may have been, we still pulled it through. We still have great win rates. We're still automating our trades. We still see great results. Things are going well. Careful out there with these markets. Of course, none of this was financial advice, but if you need some automation in your life, get going on PeakBot. Wait list. Is there a wait list long for Mark? It's getting longer. It's getting longer every day. We're taking on 10 clients at a time.
As soon as we smooth out the process, it'll go a lot faster. But if you were to join now, the wait list, I wouldn't expect to be able to join Harvested until 2025. That's how long the wait list is at the moment. So unless you bring a friend, if you bring a friend, we bump you up to the top of the wait list. You and your friend.
Move up the queue. Just make a referral. Okay, fantastic. So thank you, everybody, for tuning in. We'll have some more information on Twitter with the picks and everything else, so keep a close eye. And that's it. Ben, you want to I messed up the intro or the outro last time, so I'm not going to mess with
I'm not touching anything.
Okay, all right. Oh, we got our director back in the back scenes. Thank you so much. And as always, we'll see you at the peak. Take care, everybody.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.